Hello, hello, fam. Welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet. If you're new, welcome to the fam. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because we're always here having a good time. And come visit me on TikTok and Insta because I'm there daily. And of course, welcome back to my oldies but goodies. Talking about TikTok, you guys, TikTok is making me do it. We're kind of gonna do a full retainer, a full face of Elf. However, the main star of the show is gonna be these three products. Apparently, this combo right here is bomb. Not apparently, I've already tried it. It's good. Today, I want to try it with the Elf foundation. We're gonna use the darker shade to contour just because why not? We have it, and just have a good, fun video. As always, you guys know I'm gonna do a wear test and all that jazz. My skin's ready. I did my skincare about 20 minutes ago, which is why I'm looking all nice and hydrated. First up is the new Power Grip Primer, the 4% niacinamide. So the idea is to use a good amount. You guys know we do have oily skin here. So at first, when I heard about this, I'm like, nah, this can't work. You know, we got oily skin. But no, it does. It's the gripping part. It's the gripping part. In order for this to work, we have to let this dry. So let's give it about a couple of minutes and I'll be back. You guys, oh, look at this glow. Dang. Okay. So we're sticky, you see? And that is gonna make this stick down, but also give us that loomy look. Not that glidey, slimy, not slimy, but more glidey, like, whoa, where it won't move around. That's what I'm trying to say. So the sticky part is going to hold this down. So we're gonna add just like, I don't know. You can add as much or as little as you want to. Oh yeah. So as I'm placing this Halo Glow on, it's adhering to the skin. It's not too glidey because it's getting stuck. Not stuck. It's just, it's adhering. Yeah. Oh, oh my gosh. I love it. And it feels so good. Like it feels hydrating too onto the skin. Let's add a little more. Oh, and I'm in the shade 4 here. But you guys know I'll have everything linked down below for you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We are going to use the e.l.f. CC cream. I'm in the shade medium 310 cool. However, this is really warm for it to be a cool undertone. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Dude, am I running out? You see? Super, super warm. Oh my God, my skin is so glowy. I let this dry down for maybe like 3 minutes. I'm gonna go with a drop of this e.l.f. in the shade Cashew. I really like this foundation. Yeah, that's gonna help this out. I'm gonna use also a little bit of the some e.l.f. color corrector. It's the blue one. The blue will cool things down. So you see how this is warm? We're going to just cool it down a smidge. Not too much because it's not too warm. And then with my brush, we're just gonna mix it in. You guys, we're gonna have a good makeup day and it's drugstore. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna paint this on. Oh, is she thick? Okay. Anytime you have a thick product, you can grab your brush and we're gonna start just taking our time to blend it out. This is what's gonna allow your base to last long, to not look cakey, look good all day long, especially if you have oily skin. Oily skin, things warm up and the oils kind of lift makeup. You know, the warmth of your skin, the oils. I was just talking to my friend yesterday about makeup and like application. And I was like, yes, we have to like really take our time, especially with the base. I feel like sometimes with the eye makeup, mascara, eyeliner, we can rush it, or sometimes we just know how to do it so well. We can do that like in the car. I feel like the base is the one thing that would take me the most time just because I have the possibility and potential of getting cakey makeup because of oily skin. You see this glow? Oh, wow. This looks so good. Let me make sure everything is well coated. This is not a drugstore foundation brush, but it's okay. We'll ignore that. And then I'm gonna get my damp sponge. This is the e.l.f. Camo. You guys know I love this. Because it's clean, I'm gonna get the remaining product and then just kind of tap it. And this is a little bit more of the blend going on. Oh, yeah. This looks good. Let's turn down the light so you can see. Oh, yeah. I turned down the lights just so you get different lighting, and when lighting gets darker, you can see a little more texture as opposed to more lighting hitting your skin. So look, this hair, it ain't cooperating. But you see that glow and just that smoothness? Oh man, TikTok could be right on this one. It's like TikTok definitely made me do this because I've been seeing this combo like going viral all over the place. So I'm like, let me try it. I don't know. Oh, I told you guys it was the Laura Mercier video. And I was like, dang, Gina. So what time? Did I tell you guys the time? No. It's 10:30. Let's let this foundation dry down maybe about 5 to 10 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, not bad. It's dried down a little bit. I wanted to add some of this NYX Bear With Me Prime and Set Spray. Let's just add a little bit. Ooh, let's dry it down a little bit and then just kind of press in. So this is a prime and set spray. It allows a little more stickiness onto the skin so it adheres, especially because we're going to wear our makeup all day. So, all right, let's cream contour. This is the shade. What shade is this? Wow, I can't speak. Hold on, let me my brush. Shade. Oh, this brush. The shade, what shade is this? 7. You guys, if the light is coming in and out, it's because it's about to rain, like today or tomorrow, and the sun is not sure what it wants to do. So I'm just gonna add it like this. I tried this out already, and I didn't like how it looks, but I also was trying out a new what was I trying out? Something new. And I think it was that didn't work. So I'm just gonna tap this in. Ooh, wow, this is nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, it didn't look like this last. And I'm tapping just so we don't really move our foundation and we keep the product exactly where we placed it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Wow, it's gonna be a good makeup day. And I'm not doing anything today, you guys. I have 2 videos to edit and post today, 2 YouTube videos. So I'm booked and busy. Because tomorrow I'm celebrating my friend's birthday. So I'm going to be off all day. I'm not going to be filming or anything. So, oh, dang, that's good. Here, here, here. I don't want to add too much because this is very creamy. And you know how my bronzer gets, you guys. You know how many issues I've had with bronzer, especially lately. And look, this is so pigmented, where you don't need a lot and it's super blendable. You see that blend? Like you barely even touch it. This is another thing that's been going on TikTok is this contouring and bronzing up with, hold on, I have a booger. How like, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, contouring with this. Let's just do the whole TikTok trend in one video. Patches where? Where? I'm just like this is a lot of glow. I'm scared. Okay, so let me speed up my concealer and then we'll resume. I didn't like this concealer for a while. I just felt like it was creasy. But if you mix it with another one, it's really good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So I'm gonna get my brush, the bronzer brush again, and I'm just gonna go over without adding product. Just make sure we have our bronzer still there because the concealer could, just clean it up a little too much. We can just go back. Oh yeah. Now let's set the skin. I could have swore I had a e.l.f. setting powder, but I guess I don't. But what I do have is these right here. You guys, I've already talked about it 100 times. So I'm gonna get a little bit of Maybelline, my powder puff right here. Even this out so we get an even application. This powder puff is so good. It really grabs product well. So you want to really even it out so you don't have too much product, especially in the under eye area. And I like to use this Maybelline powder in my under eye areas only, just because it gives me a nice highlighted look. Another just translucent powder on the skin. Like that, right? So now I'm going to use this Milani Make It Last translucent powder. So I'm just going to tap over and set the skin. You really want to make sure you set your skin well. We have glowy products going on. We're going to wear makeup all day long. So I'm actually going to get my powder puff. and just like set, especially that T-zone. And if you want a little more coverage, this is not a needed step, but it could help if you'll get a foundation powder. I love this. Oh, this one's the light one. I really like this foundation from NYX. So you can just get a brush. A brush will kind of just loosely place it on and then just add it like that. Then you're like good to go. I like to tap and then buff out. This bronzer right here, this L'Oreal, go over that cream bronzer we placed. Oh, and look, we barely need a touch because it's still there. You can still see it, although we set it already. It's kind of like a double set moment. And it brings out the color more. And I find that I look snatched. Not only do I look snatched all day, like the makeup just lasts better. Not that it doesn't last as well with only powders, because you guys know I'm a powder girl. But I do notice like it's like that extra you know? Go in with some Juvia's Place blush. I'm gonna mix this one and this one. Oh yeah. And then we can start wiping off that bake that's underneath our under eyes. Can get a sponge and just tap this out too. Any sort of loose powder you have, you can just clean this up a little bit. And cool. Okay, so let me finish up the face and I'll be back. Oh my goodness, I am loving the makeup. Let's get right in here. Oh, this blush is a little intense, but you see that hydration going on? Like, dang, look at the pores. You can see a little bit of texture. It's okay. It feels so good. Does it feel like heavy? No, not at all. And I did kind of get heavy-handed with the foundation. Let's hope we don't look gastadas today because ain't nobody got time for none of that. But I love how the skin looks. And what I love mainly is how well everything just blended together. I'm like, what? I mean, granted, we did use e.l.f. and a lot of brands create their products to all work well with one another. But damn, you know? I don't know if I'm gonna go outside in the car to show you guys because the sun's coming in and out, or give you guys like a quick daylight view in front of my window. I don't know, but definitely you guys will get the different lightings. And yeah, do I have lipstick on my retainer? I do. Anyway, okay, see you later. Bye. Okay, you guys, I'm just in front of the window. I can't leave the house right now, so dang, you see that glow? That's what I really like. Just how healthy the skin looks, right? Ooh. Yeah, this glow is really nice. I'm just like scared, you know, we got oily skin. Everything looks quite flawless considering it's drugstore. But yeah, okay, see you guys later. Bye. I'm back. It is 10:30. We've had this base on all day long, but of course I did get some footage at around 3 or 4 o'clock just to give you a quick glimpse in daylight and also wearing the makeup. At this point, about halfway through, everything was looking very beautiful. Everything was well put together. Nothing was really breaking apart. We were glowy, but we started off glowy. Here we are, you guys. I am, you know, a little oily. I am glowy. We did start off. This looks really good. I just need to tap this skin. The only thing that's breaking apart is my nose, but it's okay. It's been all day and these are all very glowy products. So let me get my sponge and just show you guys how this looks. So if you have oily skin, you can wear glowy products. It's just about layering thinly and really taking your time blending. You guys saw how much I blended that foundation just so everything like works out well. You see, there's no patches. There's nothing separating. That's what you want to see when your makeup is warmed up. If there's any separation happening around the mouth, around the nose. But nope, we're looking good. We do not look gastadas. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how we look at the end of the day because you guys know we love wear tests here. And this is it, fam. Let me know if you've tried this combo. Have you seen it around TikTok? Let me know your thoughts. What do you think of how it looks? And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for hanging out with me and spending a little bit of your day with me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the button right there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.